Alright everybody, so what we're doing right now is example 2 from chapter 3, so 3.2, 3.1 example 2. There are a variety of ways of starting this problem and figuring out what the measured angles can be. What I'm going to start with is the vertical angle opposite 75 here. Remember, so vertical angles are two angles that are congruent when we have two lines that intersect each other. So the angles that are opposite each other and the lines that intersect. So we have line A that intersects line T. They intersect 75 degrees here is congruent to angle 1. So we know 75 degrees is congruent equal to angle 1. Okay? After that, we know that we have two supplementary angles here. We have angle 2 is supplementary with 75 degrees here, meaning that they add up to be 180 degrees because this is a straight line. And the same goes for the straight line here. 75 degrees plus angle 3 equals 180 degrees. So we know angle 3 plus 75 degrees equals 180 degrees. And to figure out what angle 3 is exactly, we just subtract 75 degrees from it, from both sides, like an algebraic expression. And that gives us angle 3 equals 105 degrees. Okay? So from there, we know that angle 2 will be the same thing. Angle 2 will be congruent to angle 3 because they're vertical angles. So this is 105 degrees. This is 105 degrees. This is 75 degrees as we just derived. From here, we can use corresponding angles to show what angles 5, 6, 4, and 7 are. Remember, a corresponding angle is an angle on the same side of the transversal in a corresponding position to an angle over here. So angles 1 and 4 are corresponding, which means that 75 degrees for angle 1, it'll be the same measure for angle 4. So angle 4 is 75 degrees. Write that there. And then the same goes for angle 3 here. It's in a corresponding position with angle 7 here, which means angle 3 equals, actually angle 7, we already figured out what angle 3 equals. Angle 7 equals 105 degrees. And then angle 5 up here, 105 degrees. And angle 6 up here is 75 degrees.